Hey guys, Kylie and Steve here with Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana. Steve, for our review, shoot, and rate today, what gun are we looking at?
Kylie, I am so looking forward to having you shoot the KelTec P11.
Let's get to it. The KelTec P11 is going to come in with a height of 4.3 inches. With an empty magazine, you're looking at a weight of 17.1 ounces, overall length of 5.6, barrel length at 3.1 inches. Your magazine is going to hold 10 rounds, and it's going to come with the standard 3-dot sights. Not really sure what MSRP is, but you're going to find this in the gun store probably around a couple $100.
Yeah, maybe just a little over 3. Just a little under 3.
Just a little around 3.
Around 3.
Somewhere.
A little something.
All right, Kylie, what are your thoughts on the P11?
I'm gonna say that trigger pull was something fierce.
Yes.
Yep. So with that trigger pull being as long as it was, it made me not have grip on the gun as well. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
So that trigger pull, when it finally hit, then that recoil kicked back, and the whole mixture of it, I just didn't really like.
All right, here's my observation. Here's my big takeaway. We started these reviews with someone who has shot at an okay amount and someone who was a beginner because we wanted to have an opinion of someone who hasn't shot a lot. Mm-hmm. The fact that you just hit all those down with that particular gun with that trigger pull, and this is a double action, relatively heavy trigger pull. This is not a striker fire, although you don't see a hammer, it's still a double action firearm. Mm-hmm. So, I just want to point out that you're getting really good as a shooter. Your stance is getting great, your posture's good, your grip's getting better, and I'm really happy to see you growing as a shooter. It doesn't make me happy that she's starting to outshoot me.
Makes me happy. Makes me very happy.
Having said that, you know, I'm with you. I don't like the trigger pull. On top of not liking the trigger pull, I don't like how sharp the tip of the trigger is because it digs into your finger as you're pulling the trigger. It's just not, you know, it reminds me of a dream I had where I don't remember what it was, but I couldn't pull the trigger because it was so heavy. That gun reminds me of that dream. Like, it's like you just, for whatever reason, you can't pull that trigger. Yeah. So for me, it's a no-go at any price. Yes, price point is reasonable. On top of that, they don't have the best reputation for quality, but we're not really allowed to put that into our review for what we're rating because it's more about the price versus how it's shot today. For me, it's probably a 1.
Probably gonna be right in there too.
Okay.
Yeah.
For those people that want to see a whole lot more of us, because we are so much fun to watch.
A whole lot more of me out shooting Steve. You're gonna hit the bell underneath the screen, and you're gonna get notifications when those videos come up, because I'm gonna outshoot Steve.
Absolutely, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care.
Bye.
All right.
All right.
All right. So
How's it going, guys? It's Steve and Kylie here.
Hello.